How to attach a photo to a text message on an Android phone. In this video, I'll show you how to attach a photo to a text message on your Android phone in just a few simple steps. Start by opening the Messages app on your phone. You can find it on your home screen or in the app drawer. If you can't find it, simply swipe up and search for Messages. Next, open the conversation where you'd like to send the photo. If you want to start a new message, tap the Start Chat icon and enter the contact's name or phone number. If you'd like, you can type a text message before attaching the photo. Now, tap the plus or arrow icon next to the message box and select the Gallery or Photos option. Browse your photos and select the picture you want to attach. The image will appear in the message preview. Finally, tap the Send button to send your photo instantly. That's it! You've successfully attached a photo to a text message on your Android phone. If you find this video informative, click on like, share, and subscribe for more videos.